Remove the 2 port retainer screws on either side of the handle. To install the mount brackets, the handle must be removed. Remove the 2 bracket mount screws and washers from the top weight. Install the 2 brackets onto the top weight, using the bracket mount screws and washers. Align the holes in the front of the brackets with the holes in the port retainer. Install 1 screw in each of the outer bracket holes. After reinstalling the handle, install the outer 2 screws but do not tighten. Slide the supplied washer in and install the new screw. Thread the rear handle mount screw into the weight but don't tighten. While making sure not to over-torque, correctly tighten the front-mounted screws. Now correctly torque the rear-mounted screws. Torque the handle mounting screw on the top weight.